Use the fresh water per stream. Easy means a small well, no polo. Village setting. Village setting. Come make I help you. Small boy. Yawa. The water killing. Killing ba? Okay. So the topic I want to talk today is a breaking news. You know, as I will bring breaking news to you. Governor Wike, your matter has been on my desk for a long time. I refuse to attend to your matter. But today, I want to break down Governor Wike for everybody. Because of recent, I saw he put a news and say Nigerians have accepted the outcome of 2023 election. That we should praise INEC. That is what Wike said. No problem. Now, Wike has an anger for PDP. Many people don't know why there is a problem between Wike and PDP and Atiku. I know the origin of the problem. That's why I tell you people that I do research. I do research and I will bring it to you for free. Now, Governor Wike was in PDP. In PDP, they agreed that they will zone the ticket to the south. Not just the southeast. And who else do they give the ticket in southeast? It's Peter Obi. Now, Atiku agree. Say, okay, fine, let them zone it to southeast. So the southeast governor said, no, they don't want Peter Obi. Wike said, no, they shouldn't zone it to southeast. They should zone it to the south. Let him contest. And you know Wike have money. Peter Obi, they give shishi. Now, every politician will go to who have money. So they were now saying, yes, they back Wike. So they were now, that argument was happening. Now say, let them leave it open. For everybody, instead of zoning it, they should leave it open. They now, since they left it open, Atiku now bought tickets. Because only Atiku can compete against Wike. Because Atiku have money. Wike have money. But Atiku he have money and he's old politician. Is that matter? Atiku now bought ticket, Wike bought ticket, all this one buy ticket. So Peter Obi say, he went Atiku, he said, I'm loyal to you, pa. If you don't see how the thing is going, I'm going to leave. And Peter Obi didn't want to contest as a vice. He wanted to be the president as well. So he now left. And in the constitution of that party, of any party, it says if you contest primaries in a party, you cannot leave and go and contest in another party. So before the primaries, Peter Obi left. He even told Atiku, say, I'm leaving. Oh. I will not stay. So Peter Obi now left and went to Labour. So when he went to Labour, they now compete, did their politics in PDP. When they compete, Atiku, as a game player, he did the game with Tambuwal. Tambuwal stepped down, and then Atiku won the tickets. That is where Wike problem starts. Wike start getting angry. Why we Atiku win? Wike started, turned to an online sensation. Wike even trend more than us as comedians. Wike started trending. Small thing Wike come, PDP chairman, come outside and see Atiku before you know what is happening. The best way Wike say, I was going to deal with he cancelled prostrate PDP. Do you allow them to use a venue? Because he's a governor, he has the power. He can say it's my state. He might say security threat or one pipeline want to burst in that venue. He can do it. That's how PDP didn't do campaign in Rivers State. We can now take over. The next thing, we can now prostrate Atiku. Prostrate PDP. Started shouting, you must go. I don't want you. This one, Atiku said, nah, one number, Shiba. Although Atiku underrated the man, but the man is the main problem of what's happened in PDP. So the next thing we can now say, since this Atiku feel I'm joking, I'm going to work for Tinubu. In other words, no politician will work for you for free. He has an interest. So that is where, because of what Wike is fighting Atiku, He now have problem with Dino Melai. You now see has a problem is going around. He has a problem because Dino is loyal to Atiku. So now Dino now contests for governor. He's now bought ticket. He won PDP ticket for Kogi as governor. Now we can say Dino is not qualified to be a governor. Now Allah, what is the qualification of being a governor? To know how to steal? Anybody can contest as a governor. Even me, if I decide to contest today, I'm fit to be a governor. Don't say somebody is not qualified to be a governor. You know, this information that I break down now to you people, this is part 1 video. There is still more to the story. In the next video, I will do it. You know, I will tell you that when, and most of us don't like to read news. As the information is coming to me, what I will do, I will read it, digest it, then I will now bring the information to you. So what you need is like a chain of command. So if the video come to you, as you watch the video, share the video. So the video can get to the next person. The next person will share the video. That's how you will share it, so that the information can get to everybody. Because information is power. And what I'm doing to you, I'm giving you information. So share the video. Let the video get to others that did not read news. If I talk now, they will say you don't have sense. What they talk self? I know get sense. But I try to make sense. If like I always say, my name is Mala Shaibu. I'm the spice creator. You can't take it from me. Google me if you like. Don't Google me. I want to go and dive in the water.